You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French politician. If you want to learn more confusing French vocabulary, French names, including from French politics, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. And until the end of the video, we've got many more coming up for you. So the way it is pronounced in France, in French, the pronunciation is as Xavier. Xa, okay, Xa. This is how you pronounce an X in French. Xavier Bertrand. Very French name. The D is silent. Xavier Bertrand. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Xavier Bertrand. Xavier Bertrand. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.